Alright, so we got 2x2 piece of lumber. Alright, we got a East Coast Rescue Solution door, a couple 100 pounds plate steel, oversized, even thicker. And we're going to go ahead and close that up. And it's all steel. And we're going to slide that in our lumber like such. Put in our wedge. Tap it in. Alright, so a couple things that we were talking about. If you're dealing with all steel and hard steel like this claw, I mentioned it before, you can go ahead and put some score marks in there with a grinder or another tool. You see we just put some increments in here. And what that's going to do is, when you have steel on steel, you have two hard pieces of steel. Again, it's not the most realistic setup because I don't know when you've come across steel I-beams and plate steel on doors. But if you're training on this type of door, you can do this on our product or other products, and it will keep this from slipping out and causing injuries. So I'm going to do this literally by myself. I have our tool like such. I'm going to go ahead and start it in, drive it around. It's going to hold. That's the pressure as I come around the back. Come out to the end. As you can see, it's broken here and here. If I want, I can go ahead and reinsert for the gap, get in behind the door again, like such. So, there it is. Solid, couple 100 pound, spring loaded, I-beam door. And this right here, just a little trick for you to use on unrealistic training doors. Keep it from falling out, keep it from busting your hump, keep it from getting injured. Great job.